Hi, how are you? You can see a very nice white background here. It's a solid wooden frame, and we're going to have a acrylic painting on top of this canvas. So you can see some contours. So we're going to put the lines within this contour and just going to draw a taller trees. Okay, so just follow the contours. All right, that's the main body of a tree lines. Okay, and let's follow the other one. This is little bit narrow than the previous one, and you can see the grasses at the bottom, and finally you can see the other one. Okay, so following up the whole things, you can see the three trees here. So we're just putting lots of trees in this corner, and as you know, it is a white background, so that's why lots of grasses going to be the blue and the green color. So first we are putting the green color, later we are going to use the blue color to draw the the river scenery. Okay, so the green color is here. For the combinations of the trees leaves on the top, just we are putting the long strokes of the branches in all over directions. Okay, you can see the longer directions. This is the other one. All right, and you can do the few details of the leaves here. So usually the leaves, you can see these are little bit taller branches, and looks like this one. Just put the brush strokes and you can show the parallel combinations of the leaves all over the trees here. That's how the painting is going to look good. Okay, so the leaves are done for the trees, and you can see the grasses here. All right, so this is the trees, and you can just show the greeneries. Greeneries here, the vast fields. Just draw like this one. Okay, just you can use some water to mix up the whole landscape in a nice. So whole fields is looking green here at the bottom of the tree lines. All right, and the painting is almost done. Looks good, looks nice. Okay, adding up little bit blue and the green in the top. Okay, so here we are putting some irregular strokes at the bottom. Okay, with the brush strokes, you can see here the top of the landscape, you can see it's almost done, and here we're just putting the detailings of the grasses. Okay, all right, so the painting is done here, so it's not so hard or taking too much time. You can see very easy and nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.